It is well.
Pastor, you know well. No well. Yesterday, I nearly died with the garigo I drink. No epa, no sugar.
Sorry,
My brother.
sorry.
Agbaye, the Bible said I will do a new thing. Be expecting that new thing to happen.
Bro. Oh, I've already sent 100k.
Okay.
Yeah. So go.
Pastor, Pastor,
Yes.
what's going on? What money are they contributing?
That's the donation for the poor.
Oh, for the poor people.
Yes.
Okay.
That number, none.
None.
This is the list.
Okay. 150, 60, 100, 100. I've already sent 200k.
What type of plane
So,
is this?
bro, Agbaye. Agbaye. Where is? Hello, Agbaye.
Pastor,
Where are you now?
me Abi?
See, that contribution is for you.
Oh, you mean the contribution for poor people?
I tell you, it's for you.
I am the poor man.
Yes.
Jesus. I don't dey come church.
Okay.
Because I no get money. Because I no get money.